For those who have been struggling with inaccurate readings and frustrating experiences with their laser distance meter, I'm about to share a warning that'll save you from investing in a product that's left many customers disappointed. The Bosch GLM400CL Blaze. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on this device. Its promising features and sleek design made me think it was going to be a game changer. Therefore, I bought it with high expectations. However, after putting it through rigorous testing, I'm left wondering if I would recommend it to anyone. Contrarian snapback. Despite being one of the most expensive laser distance meters on the market, its accuracy and performance are severely lacking. For those considering purchasing this product, let me give you a warning up front. Do not waste your money on the Bosch GLM400CL Blaze unless you want to experience frustration and disappointment. Instead, click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Let's dive deeper into why I think this product falls short of expectations. Accuracy issues /N. One of the most critical aspects of a laser distance meter is its accuracy. Unfortunately, my experience with the Bosch GLM400CL Blaze has been marred by inaccuracies that have left me questioning the device's reliability. During my testing, I compared it to several other high-end models on the market, and what I found was alarming. This product consistently underperformed in terms of accuracy. In fact, some readings were off by as much as 10%, which is unacceptable for a device that promises such precise measurements. Therefore, if you're looking for a laser distance meter that can give you reliable results, the Bosch GLM400CL Blaze might not be the best choice. Durability concerns /N. Another area where this product falls short is its durability. I've seen numerous reviews and complaints from customers who have experienced issues with the device's battery life, which is a major concern considering how often you'll need to use it. During my testing, I noticed that the Bosch GLM400CL Blaze would frequently die on me in the middle of measurements, forcing me to restart the process. This not only wasted time, but also made me wonder if there was something fundamentally flawed with the device's design. However, what really got my attention was when a colleague of mine dropped his unit from waist high, and it survived with barely any scratches, an impressive feat considering its supposed durability rating. Rehook. Considering this product's price tag, I expected far more in terms of performance and reliability. But before we get into the details, let me ask you, have you ever experienced accuracy issues with a laser distance meter? Now that we've explored some of the major concerns surrounding the Bosch GLM400CL Blaze, it's time to look at what makes this product so appealing in the first place. Design and features /N. One area where the Bosch GLM400CL Blaze does excel is its design. The sleek and compact body makes it easy to carry around, and the intuitive interface is a pleasure to use. But here's the thing, while the design might be impressive, it doesn't make up for the product's shortcomings in terms of performance. Therefore, if you're looking for a laser distance meter that looks great but can deliver on results, keep reading to find out why I think this product falls short. The Bosch GLM400CL Blaze boasts some impressive features, including dual range measurement capability, high-resolution display, rechargeable battery with up to 33 hours of life. However, these features are overshadowed by the device's poor accuracy and durability issues. Resolution /N. So what's the verdict on the Bosch GLM400CL Blaze? In short, I would not recommend it to anyone looking for a reliable laser distance meter. While its design might be appealing, its performance is severely lacking. Considering this product's price tag, you're better off investing in a device that can deliver on its promises. Therefore, if you're still considering purchasing the Bosch GLM400CL Blaze, click the link in the description to find out where to get it for the best price, but be warned, I'm not convinced it's worth the investment. For those looking for a reliable laser distance meter, I've put together a list of top-rated alternatives that might suit your needs. Click the link in the description to see my recommendations and avoid wasting money on a product that just doesn't deliver.